What's up, JSG Kennel? Back at you with another video, and I took him outside. Kobe and Hennessy playing with the rope. I just taking them outside for real, because I want them to use the bathroom. But other than that, they just playing around. Look at CC. I don't want them to stay out here too long. I did get an offer for CC. Look how big she is. Look at her. Look at it. Look at her skin. Look how tall she getting. Look how compact. Look at all this meat. You see? I did get an offer for her, but nah, that wasn't it. That wasn't it. I can make more off of her. And not just on the money side. I think I didn't got attached to her too. Plus, Hennessy, she's not pregnant, so I might as well just get her pregnant. And